I've got something great for you for Valentine's. Check it out. Strawberry salsa with chocolate chips. Oh, yeah. You guys, this is so simple, so easy. Let me show you how to make it.
I'm adding a teaspoon of coconut oil to 1 cup of chocolate chips, then microwave until it's melted. Give it a stir. And then I'm just going to add little dollops of this chocolate to some wax paper and spread it around till it's in the shape of a chip. I've placed a pint of washed strawberries into a food processor, and then I'm drizzling some agave nectar, and I'm just going to pulse until it has the consistency of like a salsa. And just check this out. Yum, yum.
I mean, honestly, who wouldn't like this? I have to say, my son sent me this idea he saw somewhere, and he shared it with me, and I just thought, I've got to do that one. That looks too good to pass up. So yeah, you'll want to try it. I hope you guys have a wonderful Valentine's Day and celebrating with your loved ones, whether it's family or friends. But God bless, and I'll see you on the next one.